me tell you about formatting a chart. Formatting improves the appearance of a chart. You can format the chart by changing its title, text, font, line, color, width, border, style, legend, data series, etc. You can also change the numbers on value axis, hide or show grid lines. You can format the chart in various ways. Click the Insert tab and select any chart type. Choose the Layout tab. Select the chart element that you want to format. Students, let's know more. To change the chart type, we can also select Design tab. Then change chart type and choose the chart from the Change Chart Type dialog box. Or right-click on the chart and click on the Change Chart Type option in Shortcut menu. Changing the plot area background. You can modify the chart by changing its background. Right-click on the plot area and select the Format Plot Area option. The Format Plot Area dialog box appears. Select a border styles, border color, shadow, etc. according to your choice. By default, the Fill tab is selected. Select the Solid Fill option in the right pane. Click the Color button and select the desired color from the drop-down menu. Click the Close button and observe the change. Students, note that likewise you can change the background of the chart area by selecting Format Chart Area option from the Shortcut menu. Inserting the chart title. Once you insert the chart, you need to specify the chart title. It gives the idea about the kind of data a chart contains. Moreover, it enhances the appearance of a chart. To insert a chart title in Excel, follow the steps given below. Select the chart. Click on the Chart Title button in the Labels group on the Layout tab. Select the desired option from the drop-down list of options specifying the position of the chart title. Suppose you select the above chart option. A text box will appear right above the chart with chart title written inside it. Formatting the chart title. After assigning a chart title, you can also format it. There are two ways to format a chart title. Method 1. Select the chart title. Click the Chart Title button in the Labels group on the Layout tab. A drop-down menu will appear. Select the More Title options and the Format Chart Title dialog box appears. Now you can format your chart title by using the available options. Method 2. Right-click on the chart title. Select the Format Chart Title option from the Shortcut menu. The Format Chart Title dialog box appears. You can modify the chart title by using various formatting options available in this dialog box. Formatting the axis. An axis is the side of a chart that contains the values according to which a chart is plotted. When a bar chart or a column chart is created, it has an x-axis and a y-axis. You can, however, customize the scale to meet your needs and requirements. Follow these steps. Click on the chart to select it. Point the mouse at y-axis. Right-click on it and select Format Axis option from the Shortcut menu. The Format Axis dialog box will open. The Axis Options tab is selected by default. Click on the Fix Radio button for minimum field and enter 20 in the text box. Similarly, enter 200 in the text box of the maximum field. Click on the Close button. The scale on the chart changes accordingly. Likewise, change the properties of x-axis. Students, to insert a data label, right-click on the data series and choose Add Data Labels from the Shortcut menu. Formatting Legend. Legend is a box that identifies the patterns or colors assigned to a data series in a chart. It helps in reading the chart accurately. Legends mostly appear on the right of a chart. You can place them anywhere in a chart area as per your choice. You can format text, background, boundary and color of a legend. Right-click on the legend boundary and select Format Legend option. The Format Legend dialog box will open. Click on the Border Color tab and select the Solid Line option. Choose the desired color. Select the Border Styles tab. Click on the Dash Type drop-down list and select any style. Define the thickness of the border styles in the Width Spin box. To position the legend on the chart, click on the Legend Options tab. Select the bottom radio button. Click on Close. The legend will be placed at the bottom of the chart. Formatting data series. You can format a data series by changing the bar colors, lines, slices and shifting their positions. Let us follow these steps. Right-click on the data series. Select Format Data Series option from the shortcut menu. The Format Data Series dialog box will open. Click on the Fill tab. Choose the Picture or Texture Fill option. Click on the Texture drop-down button and select any texture from the display choices. Click on the Shadow tab and select the desired format from the Presets drop-down menu. Click on the Close button.